Good day, everyone. This presentation explains Articles 7 and 8 of the Treaty of Paris, which ended Spanish-American War. These articles focus on how the United States and Spain settled war claims and handled territorial changes after the conflict. They helped both countries avoid future disputes and ensured a peaceful transition. Article 7 states that the United States and Spain gave up all claims for indemnity against each other. This includes claims by the governments and by individual citizens. These claims covered events from the Cuban insurrection up to the ratification of the treaty, including the claims for the cost of the war. This article is important because it prevented future legal and financial disputes. By giving up all claims, both countries chose peace instead of continued conflict. It helped officially close issues connected to the war and strengthen diplomatic relations. Although Spain was released from responsibility, the United States agreed to settle the claims of its own citizens. This meant that Spain is no longer had financial liability, and the US government took full responsibility for handling these claims. And now, let's move on to Article 8. So, Article 8 explains the transfer of territories after the war. Spain gave up sovereignty over Cuba and ceded Puerto Rico, Guam, and the Philippines to the United States. Along with these territories, Spain transferred public property such as forts, buildings, barracks, and public highways. This article also protected private and local property rights. Property owned by individuals, municipalities, churches, and civic organizations remain protected, regardless of nationality. This helped reassure the people living in the territories. Lastly, Article 8 required the preservation of official archives and legal records. Important documents had to be shared, and private individuals could request authenticated copies of legal papers such as contracts and wills. This ensured legal continuity and protected citizens' rights.